Validation summary control is the reporting control used to display the list of all validation error messages in the ASP.NET Web Form. Now I'm gonna add validation summary. Just drag the validation summary and drop it in the ASP.NET Web Form. Change the font color, right? Yes, and header text must enter value in the following field. Let's check. Yes, it is displaying 3 error messages due to required field validator. To show all the error messages and confirm password, salary and email, I have to add the required field validator for the relevant field. Now the error message is displaying beside of the text box. Okay, to do it, go to the ASP.NET Web Form and put required field validator for each. All the text is star. Okay, now adding required field validator for each. First of all, required field validator for confirm password, and the text is blank of compare validator, and error message password and confirm password does not match, and copy the error message and paste it in the required field validator error message, and control to validate text box 4. It's okay, the required field validator. And then let's check, reload this page. Yes, now password and confirm password does not match the error message displaying in the validation summary. Now salary and email. In the salary field, add a required field validator. Yes, and the error message, put the error message in the required field validator. Control to validate text box 5 for salary, and in the email add required field validator, and same is put the error message from the regular expression validator and paste it in the error message required field validator. Now save. Let's check. Yes, all the error messages displaying in the validation summary. Now let's check. Yes, one error message is not displaying now. Now it's okay. Username and salary also, it's also hide from the validation summary, and email check. Yes, the error message for email also hide from the validation summary. Okay, it's all are working fine. Thanks for watching this tutorial.